Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to watch Naruto and the Naruto Shippuden English dubbed anime videos, then this video is for you. So you can actually go to the Crunchyroll. That will actually help you to watch the Naruto series in English. You can simply click on start watching and it will allow you to watch this Naruto Shippuden in English dubbed. Here you can see the dubbed. If you find this dubbed, I can share a dubbed prompted in this section. That means it has just dubbed in English. Also, Hulu will also allow you to watch Naruto Shippuden for English dubbed, and here you can see the Hulu platform where you can actually sign up for and purchase the plan, and you can watch Naruto Shippuden and Naruto's all series in English. And also Anime Lab is one of the famous anime watcher platform where you can watch anime in English, including the Naruto and Naruto Shippuden dubbed and sub series also. Now in Netflix, if you have subscription, you must be able to watch some anime, but there is Naruto Shippuden is not available on Netflix, unfortunately. So you can actually go to the Netflix. So you can do is you can get a Crunchyroll subscription to watch Naruto Shippuden, and there is you can find the dubbed button here. You can see the subtitles here, but you can shift it to the dubbed. Make sure that you have set it to the dubbed here. Let me just mute this. So here you can see I have just it is just only theme of add here, so you can actually add some dub from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.